Hello everyone and welcome back to the third presentation for recent advances in technology. My name is Maxwell and today I'll be delivering a sales pitch about one of my innovations. In this presentation, we'll first take a look at an existing problem and who is affected by this problem. Next, I'll introduce my innovation and how it solves this problem. Then we'll see how my innovation compares to the different tactics of innovation. The problem that I noticed has to do with automated floor cleaners like the Roomba, which I will also refer to as a robot cleaner. I noticed that for each device on the market, they typically only perform one function, such as sweeping or mopping. To purchase all of these robots that cover all of these different features would be expensive, as each robot requires different tracking and guiding software to map out rooms. From my research, I was only able to find a limited number of functions, as there were no robots that scrubbed or polished floors, to give a couple of examples. The target group for this innovations are people who currently own an automated cleaner or the people who have large spaces and pets. This innovation would also be ideal for seniors or people with limited mobility. So what is the innovation? If you can understand my picture, my innovation is to attach a guiding arm to an existing automated floor cleaner so that other robots can grab on and follow it. This arm would insert into a follower robot and act as a pointer, effectively telling the followers which direction the leader is going. This would allow someone who owns an automated cleaner to purchase follower robots that could perform other functions not currently provided by commercial products. With this innovation, you could have a small train of robots going around where the lead vacuums, followed by a scrubber, and then you end with a mopping robot. So how does it solve the problem? This innovation solves the problem of cost and provides more variety in function by allowing expansion. By having the other bots follow the leader, they no longer need to have their own individual tracking and guiding components, which will lower their production costs. In addition, more variety can be introduced, as a single device does not limit a person to a single function. Now people can customize their cleaning regime by adding additional follower bots. Now, let's take a look at how this stacks up to the tactics of innovation. The first tactic of innovation is upside yes, downside no. And our first upside is that the additional robots are cheap to buy because they no longer need to have their own guiding tools. This allows for more variety to be introduced, like a polisher or a scrubber bot. The downsides. There can be multiple robots running around, which could cause excess noise during an operation cycle, as well as the robot train may also get stuck if the leader goes into a tight space. The second tactic of innovation is seemingly simple, small steps. For our first one, we have a guiding arm that simply attaches to the lead robot and inserts to the follower robots. There is also no need for the user to program the devices. For small steps, again, it is just a simple rod attachment to an existing device, and the robot train can be as large as the user desires. The third tactic of innovation is clear message and compatible fit. For clear message, there's no new jargon used to sell this device, and everyone is familiar with the concept of a train and automated or robot vacuums. For compatible fit, the follower robots will appear to act the same as an existing robot vacuum, but users will need to get used to a small train of them running around. The fourth tactic is credible messenger and reliable performance. I would be the messenger for this idea, but I don't have any past achievements that would help to sell this idea. For reliable performance, the performance will be just as good as current robot vacuums, as the follower robots will be leveraging current robots' guiding capabilities. The final tactic is easy in and easy out. It is easy to get into this and set up, as there's no special knowledge required. However, it will require a current robot vacuum, which can be a bit expensive. The easy out is a simple 30-day return policy from the product. Based on the tactics discussed, I believe my innovation would be a solid candidate for adoption. I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and thank you for watching.